welcome back for another 50 States of Food at Cooking video. This is a collaborative effort I'm doing with Heather from the Pixel Gamer Girl channel, where we are slowly cooking our way through all 50 of the United States. Today finds us stopping off in the Diamond State of Delaware, admitted into the Union on December 7th, 1787, making it our very first state. And we're going to be making the Delaware Bobbie Sandwich, which consists of leftovers from our Thanksgiving meal, including a little bit of warmed up turkey, a little bit of the stuffing that I've gone ahead and warmed up also, some of the cranberry relish, and then I'm going to be adding in just a little bit of mayonnaise. Those are all our ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started making our sandwich here. And I've already gone ahead and sliced my bread open, and I'm going to start by putting a little bit of the mayonnaise on the bottom. You can add as much or as little of this as you like. I'm going to go ahead and go for a nice, generous slather of our cranberry. It's turned out really good this year. I added a little bit of orange into it, so I think it's going to go really well on this sandwich. Once you're satisfied with the amount of relish you have on, start adding a nice, generous helping of the stuffing right on top of that mayonnaise. All we have left to do now is to shingle on the sliced turkey. Once you have the turkey on, you can add your lid right up on top of it, and there we go. Our Bobbie sandwich is complete. I'm going to go ahead and slice it right down the center, so it'll be a little bit easier to manage, and transfer it over to my plate. And we'll go ahead and give this thing a try and see what we think about it. Get in there and make sure we get a really good bite of everything. Oh, so good. That orange and that cranberry relish really goes so well with all the other flavors going on in here. Really, really good. The only thing I think it could use is just a little bit of gravy, and I did go ahead and heat some up before I started recording the video, just in case I decided I wanted to try it this way. And yeah, I really do. Definitely dipped in the gravy is my favorite way to enjoy this sandwich. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If y'all have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys make this recipe, let me know what all you put on yours. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you all have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.